Hey everyone, Dale here at LittleRVrentals.com. So today I'm going to show how I take off this trim here on this 13-foot little Bigfoot. It got hit with rocks here, so it got busted up, so I'm going to take it off. I think it's called a rub guard. So I'm just going to pull this all off. It's actually good, not bad around the rest of the trailer, but they get really brittle. And then they break, like right here. This side's not too bad. Still gotta come off. You can see there's a bit of rust in that behind there, so blow this out with the air compressor and take just a razor blade and go around here and get all that off, and then silicone each one of the screws, and then once I get it all cleaned up, I'll put the new stuff back in. It comes out easier than I thought it would. Must be siliconed in there pretty good. There we go. That's a long piece. So after getting it off, I just went around and siliconed each screw. Make sure no water leaks. They're all rusted all the way along. So this is how it goes in. Just gotta pinch it. All the way along. And then double check that the bottom's in. Like there, I'll probably seam. Put a little bit of silicone down here. The joint. Hey guys, so it's getting a little bit dark here now, but I got it in. I put it in there and then I just siliconed it, as well as over here on the other side, siliconed it in there. This is how it looks. Looks great all the way around. Big difference. And it's nice and cushy now. It goes all the way around. I thought it would be a lot harder to get it installed, but it came out really well all the way around. So guys, I hope this helped somebody. Please, if you haven't done so already, please like and subscribe below, and share this video. Ciao for now, guys.